Give me the one with flesh dey well.
Okay.
So I'm here to buy chicken. I'm buying a live chicken. The one with flesh dey well. The one with flesh dey well. Now I want. Okay, this one.
Yes.
This one flesh dey well.
Yes.
So, oh yeah now. This one no dey die quick. It will take time before it die. So chicken doesn't die fast. So they have to press the neck. They press the neck.
Okay.
So it has to step on it. So it will die. See blood. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new on this channel, you're welcome. My name is Abigail and I'm a lifestyle vlogger. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today we are killing a live chicken and I want to show you guys how it is done. So we are about to boil hot water. And when the water is hot, it's going to use the hot water to remove the feathers, That's fuel. He added fuel and he also used that bag. I asked him why he did that and he said firewood is very expensive. So in case the firewood is not enough, this bag and the fuel he added will do the job. This thing is taking so much time. Why is it taking so much time? I'm tired. Cats. One man, one woman. Yes. This one look like my female cat, the woman. Beautiful cats. This cat is so beautiful. Aww. Beautiful cat. Hello. Right now the water is hot, so he puts the chicken inside the pot of hot water. So he's trying to remove the feathers. As you can see, he's removing the feathers, and can't you see how easy it is to remove the feathers, because of the hot water we used. So yeah, I've learned something new today. I'm going to try my best to kill the next chicken I'll buy and follow these steps. Now, did you guys know that we have broiler chicken and old layers? Yes, broiler and old layers. Now I asked him that if we are doing the same thing to broilers, how are we going to do it? So he said that if it's with broilers, that you just need to dip the chicken in the hot water once and bring it out, then remove the feathers. But this is old layer, and old layer is normally stronger than broilers. Broilers are very soft. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. The same thing.
Okay.
As this one day, I saw my female cat dey.
Okay.
So the cat can't get belly.
Yeah.
As he get belly, he can't run.
Okay.
He run now, he never come back till now. See now, he never come back. 6 months.
6 months.
You go down born now. Don't born by now. Okay, now you go open the belly.
Okay.
This green thing is removing from the chicken is actually very bitter. Make sure you remove it so it doesn't touch any part of the chicken. If it does touch any part of the chicken, your chicken will be bitter. Everything about this chicken will be bitter. You will not be able to eat it. So always make sure you remove that green thing from the chicken. So get plenty fat. Listen, be that. Oh, no worry. Thank you, no worry. Miss the key chicken. All of us now they kill the chicken.
Key. Okay.
See fat. No, egg.
So now baby egg.
Baby egg. Then they chop them. They chop them, ba?
Yes.
Okay.
They chop them.
They sweet.
And very sweet. Very sweet. See egg.
See egg. Wow. So as you can see, the chicken had 3 eggs that were not matured and 1 egg that was already matured. I can't believe we killed a pregnant chicken. Oh my goodness, I feel so bad. Oh. By the way, I just remembered I did not tell you all how much I bought this chicken. So I got this chicken for 7,000 naira, and killing the chicken they charged me 500 naira. So everything is like 7,500 naira for the chicken and helping me kill the chicken. Do you all think this chicken is worth that amount? If you think it should be less than 7,000, then leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, please leave a comment in the comment section.
Papa. How far now?
And yep, that is the heart of the chicken. Yes, you heard me right, the heart of the chicken. And I don't know why there's just too many sand in the heart of a chicken. I don't know why, but anyways, you have to cut it open and remove the sand. Then later you use hot water to wash it thoroughly. Make sure you wash it very very well, else you will eat sand.
See, na very sweet.
I dey like that part. You no go do this one for me? Go do am ba?
Puta.
Thank you. That is it. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe, like, share, comment below, and I'll see you all in my next vlog. Bye. On my way. Now your dog with this. See the ear, don't. The dog get wound for ear, and the fly they gather, and by the time you know you go sick. The dog go sick.